Let me ask you something. Do you know what happens to your paycheck before you even see it? Taxes already took a bite, but the ultra rich, they play by a different set of rules. What if I told you the tax system was never built for regular 9 to 5 workers like you and I? It was designed to reward people who own businesses and assets, not people who work for wages. That's the secret the wealthy understand. And today, I'm pulling back the curtain to show you exactly how rich people legally pay almost no taxes. And more importantly, how you can use some of these same tricks. This is one video you can't afford to skip. Literally. The best part, you don't have to be rich to start using these tricks yourself. Whether you're a regular employee, a side hustler, or someone investing for the first time, you can legally keep more of your hard-earned money if you know the rules. What you will learn in this video: why the tax system punishes employees but rewards business owners and investors, the three types of income and who pays the highest taxes, how starting even a tiny side hustle can unlock big tax savings, what depreciation really means and how the rich love it, the billionaire trick, borrowing against assets instead of selling them, tax-free accounts you probably aren't using but should, why regular people should consider trust, not just the ultra-wealthy, how some rich people legally pay zero taxes by going global. Don't let the rich be the only ones winning the tax game. Watch now, hit subscribe and take control of your financial future. The system is rigged, but you can beat it. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The tax system punishes employees, anyone earning a paycheck, but it rewards business owners, investors, and asset holders, the people who move money, not just work for it. If you work a regular job, you pay taxes first before you even touch your money. If you run a business, you pay taxes last after you deduct expenses. If you invest, you barely pay taxes at all, especially if you hold your investment long term. The tax code is again. The wealthy just know the rules. It's time for you to learn them too. Now, let's talk of the three types of income and who pays the most taxes. Let me break it down real simple. Earned income. Your paycheck. These get hammered with income tax and payroll tax, the highest tax rate. Business income. Money from your business or side hustle. You only pay tax after you write off expenses. Investment income. Money from stocks, crypto, rental properties, and others. These get taxed the least, especially if you hold them long term. The wealthy focus on business and investment income, where taxes are lower. But regular people, they are trapped in paycheck income and they are paying the most. Business write-off, the rich person's cheat code. Here's a wild fact. Rich people turn everyday spending into business expenses. That trip to Dubai, business networking. That laptop, business equipment. That fancy dinner, client meeting. And all of it is legally deductible. Even if you start a small side hustle, you unlock these tax perks. Example, if you make $50,000 from your side hustle, but you spend $15,000 on business expenses, you only pay taxes on $35,000. This is how wealthy people shrink their taxable income totally legally. Depreciation, get paid to own stuff. Now, let's talk about depreciation. This one's like a cheat code baked into the tax system. Where you buy a rental property, equipment, or even certain vehicles, the IRS lets you write off part of its value every year, even if that property is actually going up in value. The rich love this trick because they buy assets that makes them money and cut their taxes at the same time. This is the wealth game in action. Borrow, don't sell, the billionaire's loophole. This one's sneaky, but 100% legal. When wealthy people need cash, they don't sell their stocks or real estate. They borrow against them instead. Here's the trick. Borrowed money equals no income, no taxes. Meanwhile, their stock and real estate keep growing in value. They enjoy the money. Their wealth keeps growing and the taxman gets nothing. Tax-free investment account, tools for regular people. You don't need to be rich to take advantage of tax-free investment accounts like Roth IRA. Pay tax upfront, but your money grows tax-free forever. HSA, great for medical expenses and it also grows tax-free. 401, lowers your taxable income now while growing for retirement. Most regular folks ignore these tools, but the smart ones max them out and keep money in their pockets. Trust funds, not just for billionaires' kids. When you hear trust fund, you probably think of spoiled rich kids, but trusts are actually smart tax tool anyone can use. A basic living trust helps you avoid expensive estate taxes, pass on wealth privately, controls who get what, even after you're gone. The wealthy don't just make money, they also protect it for generations, and you can too. International tax moves. This is next level stuff, but it's good to know. Some wealthy people move to tax-friendly countries where tax rates are super low or even zero. Others set up offshore companies to legally lower their tax bill. It's advanced, but 100% legal if you follow the rules. Here's the bottom line. Taxes are the biggest expenses of your entire life, but you don't have to overpay. Start a side hustle. Even a small one opens the door to tax savings. Use tax-free accounts. They are gifts from the government, so grab them. Buy assets that depreciate, real estate, equipment, and many more. Learn the rules and play to win. Don't let the rich be the only ones saving thousands every year. Subscribe to Dream Money because in the next video, I'm exposing the retirement lie and why most people will never retire comfortably unless they make this one powerful change.